Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with GitLab repos for UI components, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your UI components with GitLab repositories, ensure you have GitLab set up on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where your UI components are located. Use the command git init to initialize a new Git repository in that directory. Next, add your UI components to the staging area using git add. This command stages all the files in the current directory. Now, it's time to commit your changes. Run the command git commit m initial commit of UI components. This creates a snapshot of your current files in the repository. Next, log in to your GitLab account. Create a new project in GitLab. Give your project a name that reflects your UI components. After the project is created, copy the repository URL provided by GitLab. Back in your terminal, link your local repository to the GitLab remote repository. Use the command git remote add origin repository URL. Replace repository URL with the URL you copied from GitLab. Now, you are ready to push your local commits to GitLab. Execute the command git push origin master. This pushes your commits to the master branch of the remote repository. To ensure your backup is up to date, make changes to your UI components. After making changes, repeat the process of adding and committing your changes. Use git add followed by git commit m your message here for each new set of changes. Finally, push the changes to the GitLab repository with git push origin master. This process ensures that your UI components are safely backed up on GitLab. Regularly repeating this process will keep your repository updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.